How to stop self-sabotage. There's a moment right before things start to go well when something inside you panics. Not loudly, not dramatically, quietly. You miss the deadline. You overthink the text. You quit just before momentum kicks in. You tell yourself, I'll start again tomorrow. And from the outside, it looks like laziness, or lack of discipline, or fear of success. But self-sabotage isn't stupidity, it's protection. Your brain isn't trying to ruin your life. It's trying to keep you safe from a future it doesn't recognize. Because growth is unfamiliar, and unfamiliar feels dangerous. So let's talk about how to stop self-sabotage without hating yourself for it. Self-sabotage usually shows up when you're close to becoming someone new, someone more confident, more visible, more responsible for their own happiness. And that version of you threatens the old story. The story that says, this is as good as it gets. Don't hope too much. Stay small so you don't get hurt. So the mind pulls the emergency brake. It procrastinates. It distracts. It picks fights. It finds flaws that suddenly feel urgent. Not because you're weak, but because your identity hasn't caught up with your potential. Here's the first shift that changes everything. Stop asking, what's wrong with me? Start asking, what is this protecting me from? Maybe success would raise expectations. Maybe consistency would force you to face old wounds. Maybe finishing would remove the excuse to hide. Self-sabotage is often fear wearing a clever disguise. So instead of fighting it, listen. Because awareness dissolves patterns faster than willpower ever will. The second step is learning to break promises strategically. That sounds backwards, but hear this. Every time you set massive goals and don't follow through, you teach your brain that your word doesn't matter. And eventually, it stops trusting you. Self-trust doesn't come from intensity. It comes from reliability. So stop overcommitting. Make the promise so small it feels almost embarrassing. 5 minutes, 1 paragraph, 1 email, 1 choice that aligns with the person you're becoming. Then keep that promise. Not because it's impressive, but because it's evidence. Evidence that you are someone who follows through. The third shift is this. Detach your worth from the outcome. Self-sabotage thrives when failure feels like a verdict on who you are. So your mind thinks, if I don't try fully, I can't fail fully.